Bonjour, good afternoon. This is Jean-Pierre PANZIERA, CTO for HPC at Atos, and I will give you today a quick tour on what we are doing in HPC. As you know, Atos is a global digital service leader. It's the #1 in Europe, and we are present in most countries around the world. And for HPC, we're also the #1 European solution provider. And we are expanding our customer base in Europe for sure, but also in the rest of the world. On the map, the red dots you can see represent the location of the HPC systems that we have installed around the world. It's on all 5 continents. At the bottom, we're displaying the logos of some of our HPC customers. As you can see, we are covering quite a wide range of domains in public sector and private industry as well. With respect to the solution, the HPC solution, we aim at providing the best overall efficiency for the HPC system to our customers. That combines hardware and software. We integrate the best available components from third party, as you can see from our partner's logo for CPU, GPU accelerators, FPGAs, or networking. We are also completing this picture with additional features that we develop ourselves. Let me mention BXI, our fast network, Bull-Sequana Xstore, the modular storage appliance, Codex AI Suite, the software platform that allows to run AI application on HPC systems. We are also preparing for the future with quantum learning machine. Today, this is done through simulation, but tomorrow, this same interface will drive the quantum accelerators to come. When you look out, you see the convergence of HPC and AI application, and we are taking it into account for the new complete nodes, but also the software stack that enables this new hybrid HPC AI workflows. Finally, I must mention our direct liquid cooling platform, the Bull-Sequana XH2000, which provides the best possible PUE. I already mentioned the convergence of HPC and AI, and would like to emphasize this aspect as one of the most important trends in the near future. We expect to see more and more workflows to take advantage of the acceleration that AI can provide. AI can help in many different ways. It can help us for data assimilation. It can help for the optimization of the input parameters for HPC traditional simulation. It can replace this traditional simulation algorithm with AI techniques such as deep neural networks algorithm. And it's also very helpful for analysis of huge simulation outputs, zooming in the relevant details and thus helping us make better decisions. This applies to a whole range of application domains such as weather forecast and climate, life science, computational fluid dynamics, data analytics. Well, thank you very much. And now I will take your questions. About the COVID-19 pandemic. Atos, as a global IT service provider, played an important role. We were able to fully support our customers without any interruption to the crisis, especially those dedicated to mission-critical service for healthcare, but also the other essential domains such as administration, defense, banking. Specifically for HPC, as you know, many HPC centers redirected their resources to the fight against COVID-19. We've seen some first very nice achievements at National Center for Biotechnology in Madrid, Spain. We worked with them to improve with AI their electron microscopic imaging, and this provided a first detailed description of the spike of the coronavirus. In the short terms, our partners are also preparing for the treatments, and they are using HPC to select among the thousands of existing drugs the best treatment against COVID-19. Also, this investigation should accelerate the preparation for vaccine, which will come sooner. Specific application and system efficiency. There are multiple factors that contribute to application and system efficiency. It's of course a combination of hardware and software. The hardware components, as I mentioned, we use some of our best partners available, but also, as to be specific, we use in our smart management center quite a few modules, software modules that contribute to the efficiency. The energy optimizer, which dynamically adjusts the runtime parameter and reduces the power consumption. The data manager optimizes I/O with instrumentation and pattern analysis. The cognitive data center for system monitoring and preventive maintenance reduce downtime and improve resources availability. All of these modules are based on AI techniques. Each contribute to the TCO by a few percent, but globally, when you put them all together, this amount to 10 to 15% TCO improvement, quite substantial. Direct liquid cooling. The direct liquid cooling that we are implementing on the Brule-Sequana is quite unique. First, I might say it's quite a robust and flexible solution. It is actually our third generation of direct liquid cooling. In particular, we are using heat exchanger in each rack, which isolated the data center primary loop from the secondary private loop in each rack. With our direct liquid cooling, all the components are cooled within the rack. That is, the CPUs, the GPUs, the memories, the switches. So the racks are airtight. Since we have no airflow, there is no need for any chilled water. Finally, direct liquid cooling can run with an inlet temperature as high as 40 degrees Celsius, which allows for free cooling even in southern countries. So in brief, with Brule-Sequana each-stage direct liquid cooling, you get the best possible PUE in all environments. Some specific example of HPC AI workflows. Well, I already mentioned quite a few times what we're doing for our own management software and how AI is used there. But we're also working with our partners to accelerate their HPC application, and that is using our Codex AI suite. This is a case, for example, of ECMWF, the European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast, where AI is used to adjust simulation parameters and improve the forecast accuracy. We are also working with a big aerospace company in Europe to replace in their digital twin the traditional simulation of an airplane turbine with a neural network. Finally, I would like to mention our collaboration with Siemens, and in particular the simulation of physics around vehicles for the autonomous driving program. Well, with this, I would like to thank you very much, and please do not hesitate to contact us and visit our website if you need more information. And definitely, if you want to learn more about the HPC AI Converge solution, you should attend the talk by my colleague Cédric Bourasset during the exhibitor forum. Thank you very much.